So in your car, here's your passenger side. The sunroof drains are each down here. Fill that up with water. So what happened was the drain from your sunroof is through your pillar and it goes down. Well, what happened, this piece came disconnected from in the firewall. This piece came disconnected, it popped out. So it allowed water to spill behind your dashboard into your floorboard. So I cut a piece of jet ski tubing and tied it together right there with a zip tie, and it's going out through the firewall. So now when we drain it, I'll pour water here. It's now going to drain right there in front of, right behind your front wheel. Okay, looking at the window pillar on the passenger side, here's the section of the tube that I cut, and I spliced it and put Tygon tubing and ran it through the hole inside the firewall. Where this grommet goes is what popped loose from inside the car and allowed rainwater from the sunroof drain to drain to the floorboard. So once I cut this tube and removed this grommet out, this is where I rerouted the Tygon tubing through the existing hole just behind this fender.